Hey y'all, let's chat for a minute. I'm feeling rather prolific this week, so you may get an extra video here and there from me. I'm excited about that. But I wanted to address something. I saw a couple of comments and have been thinking about some things that really resonated with me. I don't get to do as much inspirational type content on this channel as I do on my blog, but I feel the need to encourage somebody today and give a couple of updates. So, I'm not a person who says I have no regrets. There are a lot of people who look back on their life and say they don't have any. I'm not one of those people. I'm not even gonna lie like I am. I have quite a few regrets, things I wish I had done differently. There's not a day that goes by that I don't think about certain decisions I did or did not make and wonder how my life would be different if I had just done the thing or not done the thing or done the things differently. And one of those things, the common thread in those choices is fear. I would say a strong majority of the choices I have made, the most important choices I made with some element of fear. I've let fear stop me from doing a lot of things. I've let nervousness stop me from doing a lot of things. I've let perfectionism stop me from doing a lot of things. When I think about this YouTube channel, I, as I mentioned in my last video, I've had my blog for 4 years. And when I set out to plan to launch the Mac the Maverick blog, I built in a YouTube component to it. And you'll look back, in my vlog role here on YouTube, and my very first videos are from that period. I shot them on my cell phone. I did the best I could editing that way. I reviewed a couple products and I just stopped. Some of it was time, but a lot of it was fear that what I was doing wasn't good enough or wasn't necessarily useful. And 3 or 4 years later, when I started back this year doing videos for this channel, I looked back at the videos that I did when I first started, and they had thousands of views on them. I have uploaded some videos of myself singing when I was singing a lot more to one of my other channels connected to my Google accounts, and they have thousands of videos and comments and things I didn't even know were there. And it made me wonder what would have happened if I had pressed on and just continued to do what I did the best way I could at the time. How much farther would I be? And so when I posted my video last night on how I plan for this channel, for my blog and social media, a couple of you guys out there, my friends, my Macs and Mavericks, commented about wanting to start your own thing and being nervous. And I just want to encourage you today, don't be nervous. Be courageous in what you're doing. Don't let not having what you need stop you. If I had any one piece of advice, or many pieces of advice, but if I had one to give you about that, start where you are with what you have right now. The rest of it will come later. Do your best. If you wait for everything to be perfect and everything to be 100% in order, you might not ever do it. I wish that I had continued shooting my reviews on here on YouTube with my cell phone back in the day, and even my crappy little editing, because it was good for the time. And also, a lot was different with YouTube and the algorithm and the partner program and all that kind of stuff. Things would have looked a little bit different for me. But I say that to say that what you have to offer is valuable. What you have to offer is meaningful. So start where you are, knowing that you are unique and the world needs to hear your unique voice. With that being said, I know there are a lot of people who are new to this channel. Welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing and for watching and for interacting with me. I want to, just give you an update on this channel and how it's working and where it's going. If you have not already watched my About Me video, please go back and watch that video where I kind of explain the heart of Mac the Maverick, the heart of why I do what I do and who I am. But in terms of the content, you guys, I've been playing around with things to post, and I explained in my last video that a lot of the content for this channel is going to be closely tied to what's on my blog, because it enhances what's there. A lot of times I'll write things, I'll do reviews, I do a lot of reviews there, and I'll explain the details of different products or different processes, whatever the case may be. But a lot of us are visual. A lot of us learn, I think, auditorially. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. You learn by hearing and you seeing things. So I will shoot a YouTube video to accompany the blog post to help put a visual demonstration to what I'm talking about. So if you caught the intro to this channel, you know that I deal with hair, I deal with beauty, I deal with some inspirational content, as well as lifestyle and planning. And I try to do a steady rotation of that across the month. So in a perfect world, I'll be doing a blog post in each one of those areas over the course of a month, and the YouTube videos will be in that rotation as well, where you get a plan with me or some sort of planning and organization related video. You'll get a hair or beauty review, you'll get something dealing with lifestyle, kind of in rotation. So what I need you guys to do is continue to comment, continue to watch, but also let me know what brought you here. Like I said, I've had a pretty consistent influx of new subscribers, which I'm so excited about. But I want to hear from you. What brought you here and what made you subscribe, so I can be sure to give you more of what you're looking for. So hopefully that will kind of clarify more of what this is about. Also, in terms of lifestyle, I have another Noom review coming up. Well, I won't say a review, an update, another Life After Noom update, and it's going to be really special because it's featuring my mom. So y'all get to meet her on this channel as well. And we'll just keep on trucking. Also, I mentioned that I travel quite a bit and sometimes unexpectedly, so that can kind of throw off my schedule a little bit. Y'all kind of see a little bit of my setup behind me, my camera and ring light, my computer, my soft boxes, and I can't fly with all of that. Yeah, it's kind of hard to travel with all of that. So sometimes videos might not come out as consistently as I want them to. I try to drop them every Friday. But if you don't see a video on the day that it's supposed to come out, or you don't see a video on the topic that you're expecting, just know I haven't forgotten about you. I'm just trying to navigate the logistics of everything and work that blog plan to try to make everything happen. So I love you guys. Again, thank you guys for the support. Let me know how I can support you, and I will see you very, very soon.